wrapped around your soul with no control. You can't breathe when you're drowning underwater. There's so much water. I'll run, I'll hide. Darkness always clouds my mind. When I look behind, it's moving closer every time. I can't pretend that I have a strong defense. There's darkness, my old friend. You get me till that's the end. Can you feel it wrapped around your soul with no control? You can't breathe when you're drowning underwater. There's so much water.
We got up this morning and decided we wanted to go for a little bit of a drive and just have a day adventure at the Oregon coast. We are currently in Seaside, Oregon. Right now we are at the cemetery where my grandparents are buried. We're going to stop and visit my grandmother. She's the one that had inspired me at a very, very young age to crochet. She taught me how to crochet, and we are here to visit her. I'm going to be doing another video later down the road, crocheting graveside with her and then my mother. So that's coming soon. But right now we are just going to enjoy our day at the beach. It's a little overcast, light sprinkly, but we don't care. GoPro's waterproof. We're going to have some fun today.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found for you and
what's called the Rock Garden or Painted Rock Beach. It's pretty much Seaside Beach. This is incredible. So many painted rocks in remembrance of loved ones, and I feel bad that I didn't bring one of my own to add. We are now at the Battery Russell inside Fort Stevens State Park. It's pretty neat.
Atoms fall apart. Solar flares arrive. Buildings collapse. Only a few will survive. The world as we know it will no longer be there. Water is gone. A new era has begun. Prepare yourself for the apocalypse. The apocalypse. The apocalypse.
We are now at Fort Stevens Beach, and we're going to walk out and get a close-up of the shipwreck Peter Iredale. What's left of it anyway. It has rusted over the years. Up an appetite. So now we are in Astoria and we are going to stop for lunch at Moe's. I absolutely love this place, and a bowl of clam chowder sounds so good right now. Check out the view from our table here. Lunch was awesome. Now I'm about to go to the Goonies House. For the longest time you weren't able to walk up there, but they've changed it. So when you come here, as long as it says okay to walk up, then it's okay. Just remember it is somebody's home and be respectful of the area. There it is. It's the Goondocks. Oh, they have a donation box there. That's nice. Oh my God, there's a deer. Right there, there's a deer. This was Data's house, and then he would do like a zip line across. There's more deer right there. Can you hear the seals in the background? Goonies house. How cool. I'm gonna go to one more location from the Goonies, and that's the jail, which is now like a little museum. but I want to go into the gift shop. We're doing a quick stop at the Astoria Column just to check out the amazing view. They have the column open again. It was closed for a while due to COVID, but you can go to the top. I'm not going to do that because I'm out of shape. You know what I love about this gift shop? Dogs are welcome. We decided not to bring Shorty on this trip just because it was going to be a quick day trip getaway and it was raining. Didn't want to deal with wet dog in a rental car. Would not be good. So next adventure though, she's coming with us for sure. Got some serious fun plans coming. Can't wait for spring to get here. Time to get back in the car and hit the road and head towards home.
Stop the time, 'cause I wanna freeze this moment. Make it mine, hold you close. Now my heart's wide open. When I'm with you suddenly I feel no pain. Do you make it go away? Do you make it?
Next day, I was sitting down to edit and I realized I didn't do my outro. I was going to record it when I got home because I wanted to share with you what I got at the Oregon Film Museum, the Goonies jail. I totally forgot by the time I got home. I was so tired. I just focused on eating a light dinner, cleaning up, and going to bed. So next day, here I am. I'm going to show you what I got. So we didn't go in the museum. I've been to the museum before, and we just didn't want to wait because they're limiting how many can go in at a time due to, you know, the restrictions with COVID. So we just went into the gift shop really quick, and I got a hoodie. I got one of the Goonies zip-up hoodies. And it looks like this across the front. It says the Goonies. Nice zip up with pockets here in the front. And then the back says the Goonies. It all starts here, Astoria, Oregon. And it's got a picture of the jail, Haystack Rock, that's out in Cannon Beach, and then the Goonies House, the Goondocks. Look at that. So there's the back. And then we got 2 of these little coins. Hopefully the ring light's not blowing it out so you can't see it. but 2 of these coins. These coins were 50 cents each, so we each got one. Pete has his, and this one's mine. I spent a total of $35.50. So that, do the math. This was like $34.50. Yeah, because if these were 50 cents each, yeah. So that's not a bad price for a big oversized, because I got it a little bigger than I normally would because I like baggy hoodies. But for a big oversized hoodie that zips, not bad. I was expecting it to be a lot more. I love it. I can't wait to wear it. Anyway, that's going to do it for this video. Thank you guys so much for joining us on our last minute spur of the moment decision of going to the Oregon coast. It's a bummer the weather was a little wet, but it didn't stop us from getting out and still having a fun day. I needed that. There will be a lot more travel vlogs coming here really, really soon. Just waiting for the spring to get here and better weather. I am so excited. So hopefully you will stick around, subscribe, click the notification bell so you know when I upload videos. It's usually Monday and Friday, 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, but you never know. I might add an extra video here and there. It's random life adventures. So we do it all here. So something for everybody. I will see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye, guys. Oh, yeah. Check out my Instagram. I took a bunch of photos today, and I did a few TikToks as well. So all those links are down in the description. Go check them out and follow and like and all the things that we do here on social media. Okay.